Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing one of the topic that is software investment. So one of the person basically asked the question. This thing basically banks basically might be knowing. If American group basically don't know, then basically how the banks might be knowing basically. Banks basically don't know the text box basically. They don't know programming basically. They don't know basically the if conditions basically. So one of the person basically literally asked the question basically. Then who knows this basically? Because this is very dangerous thing question basically. If American government basically say that basically भाई हमको तो नहीं पता, he basically told in Gujarati भाई मने तो नहीं खबर. Then basically the American investor basically told that basically if you don't know then basically why you came to become the president basically. That also basically one of the investor basically asked the question. So here basically we are not discussing that basically because they are not supposed to be no basically, but they should have the backup basically because it might possible that basically suddenly basically the text box got disappeared basically, and Russian group basically told that basically le. Then one of the person told the Russian group basically might be knowing this. That is also basically the question. So one of the person told that basically who might be knowing this basically. So little bit more deeper basically. One of the person basically asked the question. Computer basically is getting the power supply from, assume that basically it's taking the entire California land basically, and the California land basically is covered with 1 lakh kilometer area. So that 1 lakh kilometer area basically is giving the power supply to the computer that contains everything basically. PHP, Java, Microsoft, Java. We will take only the company's name. So all companies power supply, the whatever web application, desktop application, whatever thing basically database they are creating, that basically taking, they are basically taking from the power basically from that 1 lakh kilometer area land of the California. So this thing basically is the normal thing basically. Who is basically watching my videos basically? The person basically who don't watch basically, that is basically something new for them basically. And here basically somebody basically blocked my Naukri.com ID also, Monster ID also, and LinkedIn ID also. So basically he say that basically the thing basically you don't nobody don't know basically, then basically why you are doing the advertising basically. So one of the person told that, then basically how you shifted the text box, each and every control box basically to the space center basically without testing this everything basically. So next video basically you are going to see.